Your access should welcome the files and not trap them. Short burr is the key. Good morning all. I'm Dr. Millin this side, practicing dentist since more than 25 years. Today I am going to talk about root canals. Let us go step by step. Today I am going to stress more on access opening. So I am going to create series of videos. If young dentists and students are going to like it and subscribe it more, you will get the second video. So let's start with the beginning, access opening. I call it as opening the door. So knock the door perfectly, open it wisely, so then your root canal will be a walk of cake. So let's start. What are the tips? So always take a pre-operative radiograph and study it well. And do you all know the rule of law? If molars are there, take X-rays always at angles, so you can study number of canals and plan your root canal same way. So for access opening, study your crown height to the gingival height. That part, measure it, and always use the burr which is not having length more than that. So first step is never use long shank burr. If you are in the beginning of your practice, always use short shank burrs, preferably a round or double inverted cone or inverted cone burr to knock off the roof, and then you can carry it forward with safe burrs. Plus you plan it that way so that your access walls are giving you proper access. If you are being more conservative, then there are chances of mesh canals and ledges formation. So always plan your opening in such a way that gives free access to the files. So if there is a free access, your file flow will be smooth and your root canal journey will be very smooth. So I call your access opening as your GPS. If that is correct, your entire journey is going to be if you are in somewhere new country and if your GPS is not working, so in spite of having the latest car or the nicest car, you cannot reach the destination. Same way, however gadgets you are having, but if your access is not perfect, your root canal cannot be perfect. Like, subscribe for the second video.